Hello everyone, this is Deanne from Dazzy D's, and here's another head wrap tutorial. Today's tutorial is a little different. I'm demonstrating on one of my favorite male clients, Jason. So Jason is doing a head wrap that's going to showcase his locks. So he's been growing out his locks for a little while, and so he wanted to do something a little bit different. The head wrap that he is wearing is the Goode Headwrap, Goode, and you can click the link in my bio if you'd like to order. So I demonstrated on Jason how he could do his head wrap, and then he did it himself with, of course, a little bit of help from me, but it was basically him because I wanted to showcase that although it looks easy when you see me doing it, that you definitely can do it. Jason decided that he was going to do his a little bit differently than how I demonstrated, but it is all about celebrating your culture and style, and so I definitely wanted Jason to embrace his style. He's going to start off kind of doing it like a headband. When you tie it, make sure one end is a little bit longer than the other. And he has these amazing locks that he's been growing out for about 3 years, almost 3 years. So you're just gonna tie it in the back. And we are like in real time, folks, so just so you know. All right, and so Jason's gonna try to like roll the front down. So he's kind of folding and rolling. And because of the material that the head wraps are made out of, it can definitely like move and be shaped to fit you. So if you notice, like Jason likes a little bit of his forehead, well, most of his forehead covered in this particular style. And he's gonna showcase some of his hair. So that's why we have that open and leaving it out. All right, Jason, look at you, look at you. So we're sure to have the mirror, like Jason's looking into the mirror. So it's important for you to kind of look and see as you're doing your style so you can shape it for what is best suited for you. Remember, we're a celebration of culture and style, and that is your style. So Jason's gonna take his longest end and he is twisting that as a tight knot. That looks good, it looks good. And then he's gonna wrap it around the front. You got it, you got it. His, like, folks, his twist is tighter than the ones that I do. Must be a man thing.
It's years of washing clothes. Not washing, man.
So once Jason has his twisted end, he's gonna tuck it in to the bottom. And again, Jason is like, he's a pro with this, so he's shaping it along the way, and then he's gonna take his other piece and twist it. And that piece is shorter, so you can definitely leave, like section it out, leave it, create some kind of little style or dimension based off of what you like and then who you are. And so he's gonna kind of showcase his hair. That's why we have that open piece. So depending on your style, what it is that you like, you feel like you want to leave it out. Thank you, Jason, for your participation. Remember, Dazzy D is a celebration of culture and your style.